Hi, I'm Michael Wiesner. I'm an animator, illustrator, and graphic designer. And today, I'm going to show you how to draw a jet airplane. Let's get started. Alright guys, to begin with drawing out our jet airplane, we want to first rough out the body. And remember that an airplane is like a commercial liner. So, it's going to have a bit of a big body. A long cylinder body, and then it curves down a bit, comes out to the tail, like so. Then I'm going to hard line out our body a bit more. Now we've got that. Then we're going to do a quick little line across right here. These are going to be where our windows are. This right here is going to be our wing. And we're going to add the engines to the back of the plane. Let's not forget our wheels, like so. Then the rest of our windows. There you have it. And that's how you draw a jet airplane. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time.